Hello, today in our video we're going to be unboxing an ECG machine. The video will consist of some parts which will be uploaded in sequence. So we're starting by opening the card box. And let's see the contents of the card box. Big box, probably contains the ECG machine, and there is one more container inside, probably the carrying bag, which we'll see shortly. So let's start unboxing the other part of the machine, the other box. Which contains most probably the ECG machine. Okay, it's by Lepu Medical. So slowly we're gonna be unboxing it. Oh, and here we have the first image of the ECG machine. This is some packaging. Here we have a USB stick, which probably has the necessary drivers to work with the machine. We will look about this afterwards, when we look at the program in the computer. This is probably the case, the protective case that the ECG machine will be protected inside. Here we have the small and elegant ECG machine. It's touchscreen only. We will see the buttons and the operations as soon as we turn it on. Let's put it as well here. And let's see what else the box contains. So this is just a paper with the contents of the box. This is the instruction manual by Lepu Medical. It's all in English. Let's just see some of the contents. As a preface, safety guidance, product introduction, the operation preparations, screen introduction, entering patient information, and everything that will be required to operate the machine. Oh, here we see the ECG cables that we will be attaching to the patient, all the limb leads and the chest leads. They're packed inside, and these are the clips for the limb leads. Let's see them soon. And this is the power adapter. Okay, what about this box here? Let's see what this contains inside. Oh, these are the chest clips. Okay, the precordial chest clips that we will be attaching. A nice rubbery quality, and here we see the point where the chest lids will be inserted. So we have the chest points for attachment. Let's see, the clips for the limb lids. They should be 4, so they're quite sturdy. Okay. Again with instructions inside. My first observation is that they have different sizes. I guess it's 2 for the arms and 2 for the legs. I think the clear instructions will indicate how they will be inserted. So let's move this here. We're taking out the power adapter, and we're taking out the cords, which are, as we all know, color coded for the limb lids and chest lids, and they also have clearly distinctive engravings of the leads V1 to V6, as well as the limb leads. So these are all the contents of one of the boxes. Okay, and now let's see the other contents here. I'm just gonna move them over. So we have some space. So this is the carrying bag. Again, it has a very leathery feel, although it might be easily scratchable, but we know that it's not a big deal in our profession. Let's see the contents inside. So inside is included the artificial intelligence ECG platform, which is contained inside I assume a USB stick. Yes, it's a USB stick. We'll look about this later. What else is included here? Okay, this is the ECG paper, which we will insert in this machine here, this is the interesting part. this is the portable ECG printer. It's very small and compact. This is its battery. This is its connecting cable for the power adapter. So all in all, what we're gonna be carrying with us, since we're using portable devices, it's the ECG machine, which is this one, and the printer for the ECG printings, and of course the cables with the clips to perform the ECG on the patient. So in the next video we'll see about the basic operations and how we can perform the ECG, and also how we can manage the records that we'll be obtaining through the machine. Thank you very much.